a bad idea.
Yeah, it's a hugely bad idea.
Yep.
This is insane. Today we brought the door up that we are going to install. I believe we have to go buy a sill pan, but first we need to unload it. It should be interesting. Well, this is good. I had visions of us having to carry that dang door all the way from the camper up here. Oh, he's got it way up there.
Try to keep some of the rain off it last night.
Yes, we didn't have to do this in the dark. All right.
So.
And now we lug. That does not feel light.
All right, you want to try to walk it over to the base of the stairs? I can balance it if you can just pick straight up on it.
Oh, you're balancing it?
Yeah, I got it. It's not that heavy.
Really? It feels heavy. It is heavy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's heavy.
I don't know. I'm looking for the first step.
I can't. This is insane.
Just relax, relax. It's not heavy.
It is very heavy, Paul. It's a door.
That's a bad idea.
It's a hugely bad idea.
Yep. Not the greatest idea we've ever had.
Nope, not even remotely.
Hold on, let me push it again. There we go. Hallelujah. I didn't realize there wasn't a board there. Jeez. Oh. All right. I'm kind of glad you got the rope there. All right, we made it.
Barely.
Jamie didn't kill me.
I'm close. I'm not doing the other door.
No, you can't. It's too heavy. So now we'll get it out of the box, and we have to go buy a sill pan for here. And before we do that, what do we have to? Oh, we have to put the 2x10 along this edge here and get some deck flashing. But before I do that, I'm gonna finish taping up there because I never did that last year. So as normal, as typical, we've got about 15 things to do before we can start our project. I've got a death grip on this railing. All right, that's sealed up.
One of those fails, just break it off. Okay. I think I'm lucky I didn't get hit by that.
I know.
There. Look at that.
Look at
All
that.
cleaned out. Now you need your
My metal blade. Yep.
metal blade for the multi-tool, and we can cut those off.
Let's set the treehouse on fire.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Ooh. Did you nail it in?
I like it. Looks good. It'll be so much easier to get into the treehouse.
I think it's a good spot too.
Yeah, I think it's perfect. All right.
That's gonna be a good light, right?
It is, yeah. I mean, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's a little hazy, but I mean, the sun's right there. All right, before we put the sill pan in, as you can see, I guess the stock height or whatever the sill pan just isn't going to work because of our deck flashing is so high. So what I ended up doing on these two pieces is just cutting in ½ an inch off this overhang. My high-tech measuring instrument, my finger. Well, we drove to North Conway to get a metal blade, a new metal blade for the multi-tool. And as you can see, rained like crazy while we're gone, of course. Splashed in there where the tarp was down. It's amazing.
Oh, God. So, what you missed was Paul putting the PVC cement on, because apparently I was just too entertained watching him do it.
Oh, that's funny. Well, we got the hinge side temporarily hooked in there. It's plumb in both directions. I have to make a little adjustment down here on the bottom and shim it out a little bit, but we can't do anything right now because it's pouring outside. So we may call it quits for the night. Go make some dinner at the camper and come back here in the morning to finally finish this door up. Is it time for bed? Good night. Good boy. So next morning, we're back over here adjusting the door, working on the hinge side here. Last night we kind of rushed because of the rain, and I put this bottom screw in. It's a 2.5, or maybe 3-inch screw actually, in through the hinge, and actually pulled it too tight, so I've shimmed it back out. So this is perfectly straight now. And if we check it with the level, looks perfect. And this way, let's check it. Yep, looks good that way too. So I just wanted to make sure that everything is square. It looks good. There's no light coming through there. Perfectly square. So I think what we're gonna do now is we'll secure this hinge side, get a bunch of screws in here, and then we'll kind of work our way around the door.
Well, the door is in. It took longer than we expected,
Of course.
just like everything we've done with this treehouse.
Yep.
But it shuts
Shuts, everything's
pretty well.
plumb and straight. We just have to, we're not gonna bore you guys with putting in the
More of the shims.
and screws,
all
but
that,
it's in place.
she's pretty. It's got a nice view too, I think.
It does.
Yep.
That's a lot of light in.
Here's the outside. I feel like doing Tim Perry's thing.
Yeah. Oh. Cool. So the next steps are putting in the door handle, but we're not going to do that today.
Yeah, we're missing a bit.
Missing we need a drill bit. Of course, it's at home in Barrington, and we forgot the cordless drill.
So here we have our door knob. I'm just gonna show. Oh yeah. So we got a handle knobby, and we got this lock.
It's a Wi-Fi lock, so stay tuned for that. We have to set up Wi-Fi here in the treehouse.
Yep. So
With no power.
should be interesting.
Yeah, that should be fun. This side of the treehouse looks like a pin cushion, but actually just all my shims. So the door's in there, and I'm going to cut all the shims off and put my flashing tape on. But I got one, I got the pull or the latch handle on, and shuts pretty good. So everything's plumb, square. I even measured, well, I know you're supposed to, but corner to corner. So this bottom left, top right, top left, bottom right, and it was dead on. So I'm going to call that a win. Like I said, we'll get the shims off, get those cut off, and get some flashing tape on this thing, and I'm headed home. I got to tell you, the most unnerving or stressful part of this door installation was drilling this 3/8 hole for this handle through this door. Trying to be careful not to cut the flashing tape behind the door because it'll defeat the purpose. All right, there it is. It should be weather tight until we can get back here this weekend. So I'm going to pick my tools up and head back home. What are you recording? Are you recording the top of the treehouse?
I don't think so. Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah. That's great.
Oh boy.
There's Paul. Hey!
Yeah, we got the sound effect at least.
Oh, God. Let's give that a try instead of walking out there. Because that
On the plank.
that looks a little sketchy. I mean, I think it'll hold you, but it scares me. Are you like a hamster? I don't think you're gonna fit through that.
I'm not like a hamster.
I'm not. I'm pretty sure I couldn't fit through that.
More like a...
My tushy would get me stuck right there.
Alright.
Too bad you weren't more spry. You could just jump up and over the railing.
Oh yeah.